This century-old building just off Scenic Highway is being given new life to help other people change theirs. The Care Center bought it and is rehabbing it with a $1 million grant from Polk County. It will become our area's newest, much-needed transitional housing.
We constantly have families in need of short-term housing, and even the addition of these 10 units won't completely meet it, but it's going to be a huge assistance.
The idea is to give people who are struggling a chance to get back on their feet. And hopefully this will be it. Residents will also get intense help to get their lives back on track.
It includes weekly case management meetings. It includes on-the-job training, job coaching, resume building, weekly Bible study, and other different enrichment activities that promote that same growth.
Along with a roof over their head, residents will experience a sense of community here because they'll be living with others who are trying to overcome challenges as well.
Having community and being with people that you can walk through things with is huge.
Because it's so needed, it's expected to be full almost immediately.